I am from Sammanthurai. Today I am going to present the plant breeding section. Plant breeding sections, my portion is DNA structure. DNA structure, DNA it means deoxyribonucleic acids. It first obtained by J.D. Watson and F.H.C. Crick in 1953. DNA is a chemical, organic chemical, and it stores the genetic information. DNA has a polynucleotide chains. It has a double helix structure. These are the polynucleotide chains. These two, the polynucleotide chains, backbone is the sugar phosphate. The polynucleotide chains are linked together by the phosphodiester bond. The phosphodiester bond linked together between the two polynucleotide chains. The polynucleotide chains consist the nitrogen base, phosphate group, and the deoxyribose sugar. These are the polynucleotide chains components. The nitrogen base are 4 types in the DNA. That 4 types are the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine.
Good evening all, I am Asjad from Kalmunai. Now I am presenting the topic soil preservation. Soil preservation is a technique so prevent the soil from loose acidity, salinity and other chemical contamination. There are so many techniques will be there. Soil preservation techniques majorly mechanical method, biological techniques and cultural techniques. According to the mechanical techniques, terracing, soil bunds and sand bunds, and biological method, alley cropping and salt practices. And at the same time, cultural practices, mulching, contour planting, application of organic fertilizer and mixed cropping and zero tillages. First of all, we need to classify the mechanical techniques. Under the mechanical techniques, first one is terracing. The majorly hill area, the slopy land will be there. So we can cultivate the plants step by step. Here big trees and hedges and grasses, step by step we can cultivate. The soil, due to that the soil can't lose and can't erode. That is terracing. And another one is soil bunds and sand bunds. Heap the soils and heap the sand. This called soil bunds. It will be contain the moisture content of the soil and can't prevent the soil erosions. And another one is biological method, alley cropping and soil treatment. Alley cropping, simply said, alley cropping is a foresting. Foresting means we can cultivate the big trees. Under the particular spacing, we can cultivate the big trees. It will be help to maintain the healthy of the soil. And another one is salt practices. Salt is the abbreviation of salt practices, sloppy agricultural land technical procedures. So according to that, we can cultivate the same like as terracing, hedges and grasses and other one trees also cultivate.
Now I am going to explain about aphids in okra cultivation. Aphids are the necrotis pests that significantly affect the okra plant, leading to reduce the growth and lower fruit quality. How to effectively manage them to ensure successful okra harvest is the biggest problem among the farmers. Now we are going to see what is apid. How to identify the apids in farmers and agriculture students. Aphids is the small insect and small body that's shiny and lots of colors are in aphids such as green, yellow, black, brown, red, and soft bodies belonging to the order Hemiptera order. They are commonly known as the plant lice and are among the most common pests in the agriculture field. These pests are highly prolific and can rapidly multiply under the favorable conditions. Now we are going to see the how to identify plant in okra. This is occur in aphids. How to identify? One of the damage symptom is aphid removal vital nutrition from the plant. It causes to them to grow poorly and become stunted. Growth will stunted, and another symptoms is the infested leaves may curl and become disordered. And another one is aphids excrete one of the sugar substance called honeydew, which can lead to growth of black sooty mold. That honeydew or the black sooty mold on leaves, and also reducing the photosynthesis. When photosynthesis reduce, okra cultivation also reduced because of the photosynthesis is the main internal part of the internal factors of the growth. And aphids can transmit the various viral into the diseases to okra plant. And somehow when aphids will contribute the prevalent of aphid in okra cultivation. There are so many factors. One is the warm temperature. When warm temperature in okra plants, these aphids will prevalent, and also mild winter. And also lack of the natural predators, early planting and early harvest, delay harvest also cause to the aphids in okra cultivation.
Everyone, I am Giza Mabano. I am from Akrepattu. I am going to tell about shoot and football in brinjal cultivation. Shoot and football is a complete life cycle. Complete means it have 4 stages: adult, egg, larva and pupa. Adults mean laying the egg. Egg is mature days 3 to 5 days, and larva will produce. Larva is mature days 12 to 15 days, and another stage 1 pupa. Pupa mature days in 7 to 8 days and mature in adult. We are shoot and football is significant pest that can caused by severe pest in brinjal cultivation. There are many symptoms in the brinjal cultivation. The shoot damage. Shoot damage is the primarily damage on the shoots and buds that in the brinjal. We can stunted growth, and stunted growth mainly overall plant is a poor development and not allow for in the branches to produce. Another one, fruit damage. Fruit damage in the like a fruit means we like fruit, and fruit larva tunnels on the feed on the flesh.
that can be observed, and brown color lava in the fruit, and that can we are not selected in the, if you go to the market, if you not selected for the fruits. Another one, heat loss. Heat loss means the farmer cultivate on the brinjal cultivations, proper management practices will continue. We can get the high product of the brinjal. We can not provide the not proper maintain, and we can getting the heat loss. Another one, quality degradation. Quality degradation means quality reduce. Quality, how we reduce the quality? If you go to the market, we not selected the damage of the fruits, and pests and disease effect of the fruits. That time we quality degradation. Another, how to overcome the control measures is the many challenging of the shoot and fruit borer in brinjal cultivation. If you recommended IPM means integrated pest management. Integrated pest management under the biological control, chemical control and physical control. Another one, some common symptoms we control pheromone trap, and another one, used insecticide. That time we can get the good high yield of brinjal cultivation.
Now I am going to explain the pest of the paddy plant. Pest of the paddy plant, more than 70 species are recorded of the pest in the paddy plant. About the 20 species are important. In this pest effect on the whole plant parts and growth stage. You know what are the growth stages of the paddies? Paddy are 3 stages are there: vegetative, ripening and reproductive stages are there. Now I am going to explain that in this pest how to can divide it into 2 parts. First one is non-sucking pest and sucking pest. What are the non-sucking pest? Examples for the sucking pest is non-sucking pest: stem borer, leaf folder, gold midge, cutworms and cashworm in the non-sucking pest. Sucking pest examples for the BPH. BPH means brown plant hoppers, rice bug, thrips, mites, mealybugs. My topic part is stem borer. Stem borer mainly 5 species are important for the stem borer. It is the major serious pest. The yellow stem borer, white stem borer, pink stem borer, striped stem borer, and 5 species are there in this stem borer. Major one is yellow stem borer. The yellow stem borer stems. Symptoms of the in this yellow stem borer mainly affect to the young plant and mature plant. Young plant, the white head and dead heart. White head affect to the young plant. Dead heart is mature plant. The white head, how to show the in this white head the young plants they turn to brown color. Then the dead heart is the mature plants. Mature plants affected no grind form. After that, any other symptoms, the stems are easy to broken. Then other one is the tillers also burning. That's all about the symptoms of the in this yellow stem borer. Then control method. How to control the in this white yellow stem borer? First one is early maturity planting varieties. Then using the resistant varieties. What are the resistant varieties? Improve varieties also used in this control method. Other one is avoid the excessive nitrogen. Then biological control methods also used, pathogen, predators, parasites also. After that, chemical. What are the chemical used for the in this yellow stem borer? Fipronil and diazinon. These chemicals are used in the control methods of the chemical control methods of the yellow stem borer. Then now I am going to showing the pictures. The pictures are you can see the dead heart. You can observe the paddy plant, the dead heart effect to the paddy, and the white heart, the mature plant. The tillers form is also damaged. That's all about it.
Good afternoon to you all. I am Fatima Anika from Sammanthurai. Now I am going to tell about pineapple cultivation. Pineapple botanical name Ananas commosus, family Promeliaceae. In pineapple, soil and climate condition are: the climate temperature is 24 degrees Celsius into 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is annual, and the pineapple propagated in mainly suckers. The suckers are divided into four: root suckers, shoot sucker, and slip and crown. The shoot sucker are base of the plant. The shoot sucker is base of the stem, slip sucker is base of the fruit, crown sucker is top of the fruit. The crown sucker and root suckers are mainly used for planting material. Then cultural practices are irrigation, fertilizer application, weed management, and desuckering. The varieties of pineapple is Q and Mauritius. The Q is big size, Mauritius medium size. The Q varieties yield is 25 metric ton per hectare. Mauritius 60 metric ton per hectare. It is a large eye and this is deep eye, sour taste, and this is sweet taste, mainly using for canning purpose. This is using juice purpose. And the disease of pineapple, root rot and bud rot pest, mainly mealybug, rats, mites, and pineapple. The harvesting of pineapple is 25% of color change in the fruits. That one is green color turned to yellow color. And when cutting harvesting the fruit, the stalk is 10 to 50 centimeter. We want to cut the crown. After that packaging, we want to package mud pith and soft.
My name is Kuruparachi. I am from Amilvidia. Today I am going to tell about banana cultivation. Some topics: importance, soil and climate, new varieties, methods of reproduction, suckers, spacing, plum management, common and special management practices, disease and pest harvest. First of all, banana family name Musaceae and botanical name Musa acuminata. And importance, banana mainly we are using fruit purpose. And these days banana leaves we are using one of the materials of paper production purpose. And cosmetic materials type we are using banana. And soil and climate, well drained loamy soil very suitable for banana cultivation. And climate factors also, temperature 20 to 24 Celsius, and rainfall 1250 to 1900 millimeters. And elevation meaning above the sea level 1500 meters. And new varieties and old varieties have banana. Old varieties Ambul, Koliguttu, sugar banana, that type. And new varieties Nadi, IC2, William Cross, three varieties, new varieties. And Nadi variety especially we are cultivating dry and intermediate soils. And it developed 1994, and it's Ambul via that Department of Agriculture. It's developed mainly Ambul, and IC2 variety also via cultivation, especially export purpose. And normally 7 to 8, 6 to 7 fruits per hand. And shape also slightly very big and curve shape. And William Cross also mainly we are cultivation for export purpose. And 14 to 16 fruits per hand. And that's the characters in new varieties. And methods of reproduction. Methods of reproduction very suitable comb and suckers. Nowadays we are using tissue culture also. And sucker mainly suckers have three types: short sucker, maiden sucker, and water sucker. Short sucker and maiden sucker very suitable for planting. Short sucker characters are narrow leaves have, conical shaped stem have, and large rhizome available. And maiden sucker also intermediate leaves, shape also slightly conical shape, and rhizome medium size. Water sucker broad leaves, cylindrical shape, and rhizome small. Water sucker not suitable for planting because rhizome is small. And sucker treatments also have. We are planted before doing treatments. We call sucker treatments. Sucker treatments have cool water method, hot water method, and slurry method we are using mainly. And spacing also. Polyputtu we are normally spacing 2.4 into 2.4 meter. And other varieties normally we are 3 into 3 meter. And another one variety have elephant banana. We called ambun. We called ambun other name. That variety normally space 3.6 into 3.6 meter. And one of the management practice have it's called clump management. Clump management meaning we are first of all we want to maintain one mother plant. Mother plant maintain 3 to 4 months. We are maintain mother plant, and we can allow one sucker. Good sucker we can allow. After growing 3 to 4 months after,